magic, yeah! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be reviewing, testing out the Patrick Starrr X Matte Collection. I am super stoked for this video. I am so excited for you guys to see the review. Tutorial, you'll get this look right here that you're watching. And yeah, I am very excited for this video. If you guys are excited for this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the post notification bell to get a notification whenever I upload. Let's get into the goodness because you don't want to miss it. Welcome. Can you hear me? So today we are going to be doing the Patrick Starrr X Mac collaboration. I do have some of the products that I have bought. So yes, I bought everything that I have with me today. Didn't get sent anything. I never get sent anything. Start obviously with priming of the eyes. And I'm going to use MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. You guys know this is my favorite. A Morphe M421. Just gonna apply the rest on my lid with an E14. He came out with two little palettes right here. The first one is called Glam AF, and then the next one is Goal Getter. This one is the Glam AF. This one has 4 eyeshadows in it. This one right here is Brulee. This one down here is Saddle. This one is Embark, and this one is the one that he created, and this one is called Oh My God. Oh My God. You have to say Oh My God like that because you can't say it otherwise. It's not Patrick. Goal Getter palette. I'm trying to read these, but they have like the proof of purchase sticker on top, so I had it taken off. I'm into it, and then this one is Amber Lights, and then it's Soft Brown, and then it's Swiss Chocolate down here. So I think they did a great job with MAC and choosing Patrick as the first influencer collab, just because he embodies everything that they stand for. So I'm just so happy for him because he literally started, like, if you guys watch his channel, you guys see that he has a Cinderella story. So I would recommend that one. I will leave it down below so you guys can watch it and see his whole story on his makeup journey. So I'm just gonna start with the shade Brulee and a Morphe M504. Big brush. Pretty much tap this and blend the brow bone. Mind you, I have never used a MAC shadow in my life, so we'll see how I like them. I'm gonna go in the shade Soft Brown with a Morphe R37 brush. It's my first transitional area. Wow. Pigmentación. El pigment. Increíble. And then I'm gonna take the color Saddle in the palette, and I'm just gonna take this with a it's a BH Ray Ray number 6 brush. I'm going back with that brush. We're just gonna blend this outwards. Taking Saddle with an M433, I'm just going to precisely add this into my crease here. And I'm just doming, making my eyeshadow shape more circular. I'm gonna take an M506 from Morphe, and I'm gonna take the shade Embark. And I'm going to put that really in my crease. Oh my god, do you guys see this? See that? Like, wow. I'm very impressed right now. And I'm just gonna blend this eyeshadow outwards. Going back with the shade Embark, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease one more time, making it a little bit deeper. I'm gonna take an M167 from Morphe, and I'm going to take the shade Amber Lights, as you can see, and I'm not gonna dip it in any like Fix Plus yet. I want to see how it looks like without it. And I'm gonna put this on the middle of the eye. Oh, well, you don't need it, that's for sure. I feel like I just did 50 rose gold looks, but this is not, this is an amber color, okay? The brush E17, I'm gonna take the shade Switch Chocolate, or I'm into it, I don't know, this dark one. I'm just gonna stamp it here. tap over the amber light shade to blend that together. I'm just gonna go back in with that little brush and really define the crease. Do you guys see this eyeshadow? And this is No Fix Plus. Grab it and let me see the difference. So I'm just gonna use the little Fix Plus in the lavender shade and apply this hard on top. It really doesn't make a difference because it's already banging. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this eye on the other eye, my eyebrows, eyelashes, and then I'll be back for the face. Alrighty, so the eyes are done. We're not going to do the eyebrows just yet. I'm going to set the face real quick with some Fix Plus. And then I'm going to prime my skin with the No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. By the way, I added a little bit of OHMAGAWWWE on the center of the eye because I feel like I've been doing so many tones like this, so I just changed it just a little bit. So what I've been doing lately is setting the primer with some powder. So I'm just going to use the Patrick's powder. I did buy 2 of them. This is my first one and I already have broken this like a dumbass. So I'm just going to use my Laura Mercier powder puff just to set this on. I'm going to quickly do my foundation and concealer. The foundation that I'm going to be using is the Fenty Beauty Foundation. This one is in the shade 240. And the concealer I'll be using is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer. So now that we have blended the concealer and powder, I'm just going to take my second beauty blender and I'm going to apply this. I don't know if you saw that, but it literally sinks into your skin. Like, it's such a good powder. And it blurs your imperfections. Ugh, love this powder. It literally, I don't know what is in this powder, but it literally sinks into your skin and it like makes it flawless, and it's like such a different translucent powder. It's so different, but I love it. And I love it with my beauty blender and I love it with a brush. And the thing about this powder is that it works for every skin tone because it literally sinks in. So I've seen reviews from dark skin, light skin, and this literally works for everyone. Alrighty, so I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back for the lips. I completely forgot about my lower lash line, so we'll go in with that. So I'm going to take the shade Embark and I'm going to take that on the lower lash line on the outer corner. I'm going to mix that with I'm Into It. I'm going to blend with my eyeshadow here. I'm going to take the shade OHMAGAWWWE and I'm going to go that with the inner corners. So do your lower lash mascara. So we just finished the face. Ooh la la. And I have the 3 lipsticks here. These are all different. I think some of them are matte and some are satin. Came out with 3 different lipsticks, 3 different lip liners, and 3 glosses. I just have the lipsticks, but here is what they look like. They look absolutely stunning. I love them so much. And then you can just lift them and then they look like so. Red one is called Patrick Woo, and this is a matte lipstick called She Better Work, and this one is also a matte lipstick. Obviously this one is Mama Star, and this one is a satin lipstick, and you guys have seen me wear this one as well because that's my favorite one. Let's start with the lightest one, which is She Better Work. It's like a blue, it's a blue tone pink. Here is this with the look. Stop, let's put on Mama Star, she's my favorite. Love it with this look. I love it. This is definitely my favorite color. The way that it wears, I just love it so much. Here's this one with this look. Vogue. And the last one is MACXPATRICKSTARRR. MACXPATRICKSTARRR. Just imagine having your own WOAH lipstick. Like, excuse me? Excuse me? Amazing. Whoa. This looks so good too. Makes your teeth look super white. Here's this one with this look. Go away, this one. Very good, very good, very good, very good. You gotta say, everything in this collection is amazing. I absolutely am obsessed with everything. The lipsticks are fantastic. You can't expect anything else from MAC, but I just love the different colors, the tones, love everything. The eyeshadows, I am super impressed with. I've never used any MAC eyeshadows, and I'm super impressed with these. These look phenomenal without setting spray, which is insane to me. That's how you know it's a bomb-ass eyeshadow. So I'm very in love with those. Love it so much. And definitely my favorite product definitely has to be the powder, the Patrick powder. I just feel like this powder just sinks perfectly into the skin. It looks phenomenal. It doesn't give you any flashback. It just makes you matte all day. I absolutely love it. I feel like it's such an amazing powder, and I'm so shooketh that he was able to create such amazing powder, and I'm just blown away by this collection. I am so happy and so excited for Patrick. Like, this is insane. Everything is super glitz and glam, and I love it so much. I am a high lover of this. I give this collection a thumbs up. I highly suggest you guys go buy it, find it, love it, give it everything you got. The collection is... I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the post notification bell so you know when I upload. If you guys wanted me to review another collection, please leave that in the comments down below, as well as what you're excited about this collection. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.